Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into a classic coding problem known as edit distance or Levenshtein distance. This concept is fundamental to string processing algorithms. So, what exactly is edit distance? Simply put, it is the minimum number of operations required to transform one string into another string. It gives us a numerical way to quantify how different or similar two text strings are. To perform this transformation, we are typically allowed three specific operations. First, insertion, where we add a character. Second, deletion, where we remove a character. And third, replacement, where we swap one character for another. Each operation usually costs 1 unit. Let's look at a classic example. Transforming the word horse into ROS, we can replace H with R to get rorse. Then delete the R to get rose. Finally, delete the E to get rose. That is a total of 3 operations. Ideally, we can solve this recursively. We compare characters from right to left. If they match, we do nothing. If they don't, we try all 3 operations, insert, delete, replace, recursively, and pick the one that gives us the minimum cost, adding 1 for the current step. However, pure recursion is dangerous here. As you can see in this tree, we end up solving the exact same subproblems multiple times. For longer strings, this leads to exponential time complexity, making it impossibly slow. This is where dynamic programming saves the day. Instead of recalculating, we build a 2D table. Each cell in this grid represents the edit distance between a portion of the first string and a portion of the second string. We start by filling in the base cases. The first row represents transforming an empty string into the target, which just means inserting every character. The first column is similar. Transforming the source to empty means deleting everything. The cost is just the length. To fill the rest of the table, we look at 3 neighbors. The top cell represents deletion, the left represents insertion, and the diagonal represents replacement. If characters match, we just take the diagonal value. If not, we take the minimum of the 3 neighbors and add 1. This approach is much more efficient. The time complexity is proportional to the size of the table, which is m times n, where m and n are the string lengths. The space complexity is also m times n, though it can be optimized further. You use this algorithm every day. It powers spell checkers to suggest corrections. It is crucial in biology for DNA sequencing to trace evolutionary mutations. And it is foundational in natural language processing tools. To wrap up, edit distance quantifies similarity. Naive recursion is too slow, so use dynamic programming. This technique is a powerful tool in your coding arsenal for solving real-world text and sequence problems. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.